The Barbados Pride have gained the first innings points over the Jamaica Scorpions after day 3 of their second-round West Indies Championship match at Sabina Park. Replying to the Scorpions' 457 all-out, the Pride ended the day's play in a powerful position at 460 for 5. Informed batsman Kevin Wickham made his third consecutive century against the Scorpions in the space of a week, having slammed 105, including 11 fours and a 6. Former West Indies captain Craig Brathwaite led the way with a top score of 176, which included 19 fours and a 6. He had resumed batting on 51 for the Pride, who started the day on 125 for 1. Jonathan Drakes, who resumed batting with Brathwaite, carried his overnight 17 to 55. Kyle Mears and Lanico Boucher are the not-out batsmen on 16 and 12 respectively. Pete Salmon has so far been the pick of the bowlers for the Scorpions, taking 4 for 100. Meanwhile, the Guyana Harpy Eagles scored a crushing innings and 141-run victory over the Windward Islands Volcanoes at the Antigua Recreation Ground. The Harpy Eagles, who resumed their first innings on 361 for 8, eventually posted 491 all-out. Versamy Pramol finished unbeaten on 82, having resumed on 25, while Shamar Joseph took his overnight score of 10 to 46. Kenneth Denver claimed 4 for 113. The Volcanoes, who began their second innings trailing by 340 runs, were bowled out for 199. Akeem Agist made a top score of 91, while Kavem Hodge got 27. West Indies spinner Gudakesh Moti bagged 5 for 51 and Versamy Pramol 4 for 20. Over at the Sir Viv Richards Stadium, the game between the Leeward Islands Hurricanes and the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force was abandoned as a draw due to dangerous pitch conditions. The Hurricanes were 140 for 7 in their second innings after the Red Force were dismissed for 175. Red Force fast bowler Jaden Seals had taken all 7 wickets to fall. Hurricanes batsman Jeremiah Louis, who was hit on the helmet, had to be transported to the hospital. Following discussions with the curator, it was determined that the pitch could not be safely repaired without creating an unfair advantage and was therefore deemed unfit to resume, resulting in the match being abandoned as a draw. Both teams will be awarded points earned up until the abandonment of the contest in accordance with the championship's playing conditions.